Another road trip guys. Papunta kami ng Whistler ngayon. Ipang gondola naman ito. Meron na siyang kinikerry.
Masarap naman. Yung ano, yung pinili niyang flavor. Oh wow. First time. First time na masarap yung pili niya.
Whole trip you're not gonna tantrum, okay? If not, you pay a tip. Whole entire trip, okay? If not? No. It's yes or no, okay?
What? What happens if not?
If you throw a tantrum, you owe us money. You owe us double the price of that. Mm-hmm. Not us, me. Chacha, you're not part of this.
Marami na palang bahay dito.
No. Actually, no. You owe us 10 times the price of that. So 100. Me, not us. It's
I don't have that money.
You owe me. Exactly.
I don't have
Exactly.
money.
Alicia.
So don't throw a tantrum. Okay? You said okay? Say loud.
Lakasan mo.
Okay.
Wala naman. Yes, napalayo ang picnic namin.
Ate, parang nasa adobo. Saan ba yun?
Just get your own
Bakit
place.
nilagay ni uncle mo kanina doon?
You don't know how to get place. You don't eat.
Teka baby, here, I'll get you fish.
Oh,
may
let him
tinik,
do
ha?
it.
Here, saan ka, baby? Matigas!
He could do it.
Ask your mom to check for, ano.
He could do it.
Hindi masay. Oh, sige. Mhm.
Parang squirrel.
Lagay ko lang daga.
Sige. Sarap, Mas.
Hindi naman namin alam kung magkamit kayo sa adim na lang kunin natin. Baka naman, hindi na naman makain.
Naririnig na yung talansit ng waterfalls. Yun, lakas ang tulo ng tubig ah. Maagos ah. Oh. Una.
Diretso na sa parkingan. Diretso na sa parkingan.
Super ima na yun. Nag-hiking. Awanti harness na, nagturo din George. Wap to? Ah. May trending pala rito, ano? Yeah.
All the Chinese built this.
Yeah.
Chinese or
Yung unang
any Asian.
yung unang nag-migrate dito. Mas magandang bundukin ng BC kaysa Calgary. Maganda lang ang tubig sa Calgary. Look out. Wow. It's so beautiful.
Nakakalula talaga. Wala pa kalalim yun. Ano talaga?
Nagre-rainbow pa sa baba, oh.
Oo.
Oh. Kulay green yung kanya, tubig niya, oh. Say cheese! Yan, naabutan kami ng train. 1 oras ito ang maghihintay. Mahaba tong train na ito eh.
Ayan na oh.
Apo. Sakayan ito pala. Ayan o, may nakasakay oh.